Beef slices and eggs with sweet potatoes and broccoli. Ingredients: beef topside, broccoli, sweet potatoes, eggs, soy sauce, vegetable oil, salt and pepper for seasoning. Step 1. Peel and cut the potatoes, add the vegetable oil, season with salt and pepper and place in a tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, gas mark 5 for 35 minutes. Step 2. Cut the beef in slices, add soy sauce and season with salt and pepper. Oil up the pan and cook the slices for 1 minute per side. Step 3. Add the eggs and broccoli and steam for 3 minutes. Serve and enjoy.